Prioritizing driver safety, preserving lives. At Kapoor Diesels, we once grappled with the recurring issue of road accidents, with an average of 4 to 5 vehicles involved in accidents, both major and minor, each month. In our quest to find the best solution, we explored an innovative DSM ADAS system that not only offers in-cabin alerts to drivers for risky driving behaviors, but also keeps a vigilant eye on driver fatigue, enhancing overall road safety. Furthermore, in a collective effort with the Shura Technologies team, we initiated driver training programs using these invaluable resources. During the last year, our efforts to keep drivers safe have produced impressive outcomes. The number of accidents has gone down a lot, highlighting our strong belief that saving lives on the road is very important. With features like alerts for risky driving behavior and drowsiness, our focus remains on safeguarding every driver's well-being. We are monitoring the driver's sleep cycle as well, which is the main cause of accidents. It is being monitored by the Kapoor Diesel team on a 24/7 basis. Last but not the least, for us, every time a driver stays safe is a big win in our mission to protect lives on the road.